Okay, we are back with another update on the little Jimny, and today we're going to be doing something quite interesting. We're going to be changing out the tires. I am currently in Port Elizabeth, and some of these modifications and upgrades will be done in different cities because of work, but while I get a chance and when I have time, quickly go in and do the upgrade that needs to be done. Today we're going to be doing the tire upgrade. This is the standard tire that comes with it. I got a good trade-in value for these tires, and I got some tires that I like, that I want to try out. I've never used them before. They are Dunlop Grandtrek At5s. I've never used those before, so let's see how they go. It is currently standard stock in terms of suspension. We haven't done anything with the suspension yet, but that is to come. I'm hoping these new tires will fit, and I'm hoping they'll give us a slight bit of ground clearance at the lowest point below the car. So currently we have the Grandtrek AT20s, I believe, and this is 195 AT15. So these are the new tires. Nice. Dunlop Grandtrek At5. Okay, so that's a new tire. That's the old tire.